Student, if you are looking for PG medical admission in North India precisely, and if you are looking for a good standard college where there will be having a very good patient flow, hands-on infrastructures, everything, then you should definitely participate in Uttarakhand State Counseling under Hemati Nandan Bahuguna Uttarakhand Medical University. Why? Here, two private medical colleges are there. Both colleges are very reputed college. Infrastructure is also very good, and fees wise also that is reasonable. So the student who are looking for admission in private college in North India, they should participate. Now here one important thing is that in Uttarakhand, you should participate provided you have a standard rank. In the sense, if you are looking for a clinical, upper clinical branch, your rank has to be within 50, 60,000 within that range. In case if you are okay to take in anesthesia also in lower clinical branch, then only you should participate in Uttarakhand for lower clinical branch. Because Uttarakhand, since both the colleges are standard college, generally cutoff goes high for, I mean, good cutoff, less number goes for the upper clinical branch. I'll show you all the informations today. First, I will tell you which all colleges are there, what is the fee structures of those colleges, then I will tell you what was the cutoff rank of previous year. So you will get an idea what will be the possibility of the candidate based on his or her NEET PG rank. I already told you Uttarakhand is an open state where all over India student can participate. Every part of India student participate. But in Uttarakhand, there are all India quota as well as the state quota. Now, there 40% seats are reserved for the state candidate, and where they get a rebate of 26% of the fees based on the Uttarakhand rules. And the student who has done MBBS from Uttarakhand and who has the residency of Uttarakhand, they can get the state quota seat. Other state student will be having the all India quota seat, where fees are little more than the state quota fees. Now, in Uttarakhand, you will see first college, which is very reputed college, which is renowned in name of Jolly Grant, that is Himalayan Institute of Medical Science. In Himalayan Institute of Medical Science, I can tell you for clinical branches, general medicine 15 seats are there, respiratory medicine 4 seats are there, derma 3 seats are there, psychiatry 3 seats are there, peds 3 seats are there, surgery 15 seats, ortho 6 seats, END 4 seats, ophtha 5 seats, OBG 6 seats, radio 6 seats are there, anesthesia 12 seats are there, radiation oncology 3 seats are there, emergency medicine 2 seats are there, and immunohematology 3 seats are there. So if you consider altogether clinical and non-clinical branches, total 127 seats are there in Uttarakhand Himalayan Institute of Medical Science, this particular private medical college. What is the fee structure of that college? I'll tell you. For pathology, 12.5 lakhs, but I will tell you first what is the clinical fees. See, radiation oncology, radiology, anesthesia, ENT, and emergency medicine. These 4 branches, 70 lakhs are the fee structure. Respiratory medicine and surgery, 25 lakhs fees. Ophtha, derma, medicine, pedia, psychiatry, 26 lakhs fees, ortho, OBG, radio, 30 lakhs fees. So now you can see what I was telling in the beginning. Fee structure in Uttarakhand private colleges is very, very reasonable compared to other states' fees or the deemed universities' fees. Since the college standard is very good and the fees are also reasonable, that is the reason generally the cutoff goes high. For that, I mean, the number required good, rank required good to get these colleges. Coming to other charges, see there are some other charges are also there. Apart from that fees, there is admission fees, security amount, hostel fees. This all the other charges are also there. Okay, in Himalayan Institute of Medical Science. Next is I'll tell you in Guranda Institute of Medical Science. Apart from Himalayan, this is also a very good college. Guranda is also a very good college in Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Their fees, pathology 12.5, anesthesia 17 lakhs, ENT 22.5, respiratory and surgery 25.75, psychiatry optha 26.75, medicine peds 28, derma 28.5. You can see the dermatology fee structure compared to other different colleges is very reasonable. Ortho 31, OBG 31.5, radio 32, radiology fees 32. Okay, very low fees. Now, apart from that, there are some other charges are also there. This is the other charges. You can see these are the admission fees, security amount, hostel fees, mess fees. Okay, you can see there are some. I mean, this is actually considered little bit additional fees. See, hostel and mess fees are very high compared to the other colleges. It is 2,77,000. So altogether, it will go approximately 5.5 in per year for the hostel and mess charges, which is very high. All these things also you'll have to see. Now I'm coming to the cutoff of 2024. First round cutoff, let's see first. In the first round cutoff for general medicine, it is for all India, where all over India students are eligible for medicine, 23,754. State, what is the state quota? 13,700 is the state quota cutoff. Now, the general surgery 25,920, whereas the state quota cutoff 44,154. ENT 63,517 and state quota 38,280. Ophthalmology cutoff 1,05,307, whereas state quota 34,106. Orthopedics 41,481 is the orthopedics cutoff, and state quota cutoff is 35,850. Anesthesia 40,543. Whereas the state quota 51,313, pediatrics 24,589, whereas in state quota 25,817, psychiatry 15,961, and state quota 18,059, radiology 5,139, and state quota 8,233. Dermatology only state quota seats are there 12,955. This is the for Himalayan Institute of Medical Science. Next is for Guramda institutions. This is general medicine. 24,018 is the round one cutoff for general medicine in All India quota. State quota 19,709. General surgery 44,514 and state quota 46,787. ENT 67,455 and state quota 40,736. Dermatology 44,927 is the cutoff and the state quota 15,527. Orthopedics 49,532 and state quota 38,913. This is the orthopedics cutoff. Next is anesthesia 70,542 is the anesthesia round one cutoff in the All India quota, and state quota 59,303, pediatrics 57,599, and state quota 26,329, psychiatry 25,374 is the All India quota, state quota 35,348, and radiology All India quota cutoff 8,312 in Guramda Medical College, and whereas the state quota 12,142. This is the state quota cutoff. So till now I told you round one cutoff of Uttarakhand, Himalayan and Guramda. Coming to round two cutoff, you can see this is the round two cutoff. Himalayan Institute of Medical Science, radiology 11,436, state quota 5,139, anesthesia 85,693, 35,298, dermatology 21,816 is the All India quota, ENT 48,130, whereas then the state quota cutoff is 83,089. You see, even in state quota, there are many categories are there. So that categories are reflecting in the allotment. So general medicine 19,897, state quota cutoff 44,927, surgery 48,251, and OBG 37,688, state quota cutoff 31,480. Ophthalmology 60,866 is the ophthalmology cutoff in All India. Round two, orthopedics 44,993. All India quota cutoff is the 41,993. State quota 1,23,618 is the state quota cutoff. Pediatrics 35,203. State quota cutoff 32,309. Radiotherapy 55521 is the radiotherapy cutoff. All India respiratory medicine 35863. All India and state quota 45885. Emergency medicine 69785 is the All India and the state quota 63329. This is the emergency medicine. Coming to Guru Ram Rai, radiology 18429, 18,429 is the radiology All India cutoff. Anesthesia 1,09,909, state quota 88,957. Dermatology 18,785. 90,522, ENT 68,770, and state quota 86,233, general medicine 30,118, and state quota 13,493, general surgery 51,165, and state quota 54,613. Student, why I shared you this cutoff? Because through that you will get an idea that which rank you can get which branch in which college. So based on that, you will make a plan whether you should participate on Uttarakhand or not. Because like UP, like Haryana, like All India Counseling, even Uttarakhand is also having 2 lakh security amount. So if you are allotted a college in round 2 onwards, and if you don't take, security amount will be forfeited. So that you have to be careful. Coming back to the cutoff, OBG in Godamdai, 38,109 is the All India cutoff. Ophthalmology 65,556 is the All India cutoff in Godamdai. Orthopedics 44,646 and state quota 46,066, pediatrics 37,977, psychiatry 58,315, and state quota 49,564. Respiratory medicine 45,998. Students, see, these all ranks are previous year's cutoff, round 1 and round 2. Now, based on different criteria, the cutoff goes changed. Maybe the number of seats increased, based on that also cutoff get changed. Maybe fees increased, for that also cutoff get changed. Cutoff also get changed based on the schedule of counseling. Suppose if the counseling is happening late, then the cutoff go down. I mean, even if your rank is little up, also you can get the seat. So there are many criterias are there through which the cutoff may get changed. But in this statistics what I shared with you right now, from there you can get an idea. Suppose if a student is looking for general medicine. Now, in general medicine, if you consider in round 1, 23,000 approximately the cutoff in Himalayan, and Goramrai 24,000. If I go to the cutoff round 2, same 19,000, and the Goramrai is the 30,000. So if you are looking for general medicine, for example, if your rank is 50, 60,000, then there is no point of participating in Uttarakhand. Okay. If your rank is within 30, 35,000, there is a possibility you may get in Uttarakhand. I'm talking about the All India quota. For example, if again I'm taking an example, like see, if you are looking for radiology, okay, in radiology, if you see the Gurugram Dai, round 2 cut off 18,000 approximately, and round 2 cut off in Himalayan around 11,000, and Gurugram Dai round 1 cut off was 8,000. So 8,000, 5,000, 8,000, and round 2, if you see, it cut off goes little down. In round 2, if you see 11,000 and 18,000. So in case if your rank is, let's say, in 30,000, 35,000, in 40,000, then also if the fees are not increased, then also your chance in Uttarakhand will be less if you are looking for radiology. Rather, you can participate in other state where you will be having possibility. Like in Uttar Pradesh, you can participate. You can participate in All India Counseling. So many other states are available where you can participate. So based on that, you will have to make a proper plan of counseling, because it is not possible to participate 10 states for the counseling. You have to select few of the states where you will be having the possibility, and you will do the counseling on those states only. Regarding that, I have a dedicated video regarding our paid counseling services. You can go through that video of paid counseling services. If you are looking for counseling guidance services, you can contact me in this number which is showing. We'll guide you step by step from beginning to till end, till you join the college. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. We'll try to give reply as much as possible based on our resources and all. Now, in our YouTube channel, you can see that we already given information of many states. Few of the states will also give. And once the counseling process will start, we'll be giving all important updates regarding the counseling. If you have not yet subscribed, you subscribe the channel, so you'll be getting all relevant updates immediately. Thank you so much, students.